Hey, this is Jitin. Today I'm going to give you the demo of a new software 1 Hour Workday by Moshberry. It will launch on Saturday 5th September 2020 11 am EST. Price will be freeze for the first 6 hours and after that the price starts to rise on time sale. So go and get the software at best price and secure your best bonuses. Links are in the description below. So here we are inside of dashboard of 1 Hour Workday, and during this video I will give you review, price, upsells and exciting bonuses. Okay, so in 1 Hour Workday you will get two things. One is software and second is a course. You know, internet is all about content, so they are giving you a software which generates high quality, unique and viral monetizable content, and you can publish it on your website in few clicks with your affiliate, Amazon or eBay links. Another advantage of this software is you don't need a high-end PC, as this is the cloud-based software. So about course, Mosh claims that the course is to the point and it will take you wherever you are to your desired results fast. So without any delay, let's start with a review. So this is what the login screen look like, and let's enter in the dashboard. Once you log in, you will feel just how easy and clean the dashboard is. On the top right corner, you can see your name. On the left side, here is a menu bar, so let's start one by one. First option is training and tutorial. From here you can access about the course. So it will look like this. There are three options. Get help. You can get help from here. Get task killer. It is the OTO number 1. By clicking it, you can purchase that OTO. We will discuss about it later. Access 1 Hour Workday software. By clicking it, you can access the dashboard again. So here is the first video, 1 Hour Workday Foundation. So this is a simple welcome video where Mosh will deliver the foundation of his $200K per month business. Video number 2, 1 Hour Workday app generates high quality content in 45 seconds. Right now let's skip this video, as I will show you later in this review that exactly how this software generate content within few seconds. Video number 3. In this quick video, he will show you TubeDemi method of getting paid skills trainings absolutely free. So you can consider these three videos as a welcoming videos, because the real content of this course will start from here. Mosh will introduce you with 15 online entrepreneurs with their 1 hour workday method. So they will tell you in the videos and articles that how they will actually make money in an hour. That is pretty awesome. So that's all about the course. Let's back to dashboard. So third option is campaign. From here you can create campaign. So right now there are no campaigns. Just click on the new campaign button on the right side and create your first campaign. Give name to campaign, photography tips, and description. Photography tips you must know, and create it. Now click on your campaign. There are few options. From here you can add job. By clicking on I, you can view and edit the job. Pencil icon is for editing campaign, and the last one, bin, is for remove the campaign. So let's add new job. So here are three steps: new job, fetching content, and action. So let's add job. So as you can see, Traffic X Pro gathers video from YouTube matching the keywords you supply. In job types, there are many options like Twitter, Facebook, Flickr, Dailymotion, and many more. Let's choose YouTube. In job description, you can write anything as per your need. Let's write photography. Job tags are optional, so let's leave it. Now you can type here keyword related with your job. Maximum you can enter 10 keywords per job. So let's type photography tips as a keyword and click on the create job. Now here you can see so many videos on YouTube. Choose your video, click on next, and from here you can share it to the social platforms. Pretty simple. So let's go back to dashboard, and here you can see our newly made photography campaign display on the dashboard, and you can directly view this campaign right from here. Now fourth option is content. You can generate high quality, unique and viral monetizable content from here. So this is the same way to generate high quality content in 45 seconds, which I told you earlier, the second video of course, remember. So let's click on get content. You can simply paste URL of YouTube or video old in it. So just open the video, click on the copy URL, paste it, and you are ready to go. If you're happy with the results, you can simply copy the content and you can use it as a unique one. Let's move to blog setup. You can set up your blog from here. Click on add blog, enter the blog name, blog URL, WordPress username and password. You can also add tags in it and click on the create button. To add the blog to 1 hour workday, you have to download and install 1 hour workday WP plugin to your WordPress blog and have to activate it. So it's pretty simple to set up blog here, right? Now sixth option is profile. You can change your personal setting from here, your name, email address and phone number. Let's go to settings. You can add your YouTube, Twitter, Webhost, Flickr, Jiffy, Pixabay and Vimeo authentication keys here, and then all these social sites will connect to this single software. From affiliate sites option, you can add your Amazon and eBay affiliate program to this software. By linking to these sites, you can publish your content on your website or social handles in few clicks with your affiliate links. So it's pretty simple and awesome, right? So from help, you can search for help, or in case if you face some issue with software, you can submit your issue to a department by submitting a ticket. So that's all about the product. According to me, it's pretty simple, quick and clean cloud-based software. It drives traffic to your website and makes sales on complete autopilot mode. It will generate high quality and viral content with a push of a button with your affiliate Amazon or eBay links. Also, there are training videos available in courses which will help you gain some boost in your income strategies. Okay, so let's talk about its price. It will cost you under $13, and at this price point, trust me, it's a steal deal. Let me remind you again, the sale will start from 5th September 2020 11 AM EST. Price will be freeze for the first 6 hours, and after that the price start to rise on time sales. Okay, so don't delay, go and grab the deal. Links are in the description below. So let's talk about its upsell and price. Upgrade number 1, TaskKiller software. It will cost you approx $27 per month, and it is a cloud-based software that replaces the high-price software and completely automate the task management process. Customers will get access to TaskKiller software to completely automate their task management, easily accomplish projects and get results at a much lower price. Upgrade number 2, Task Killer Unlimited. It will cost you from $47 to $67, and it is the unlimited version of Task Killer software. Upgrade number 3, agency license. It will also cost you from $47 to $67. In this upgrade, you will get access to agency license and will be able to sell your service and account from the TaskKiller software dashboard. Upgrade number 4, reseller license. It will cost you from $57 to $77. You will get guaranteed approval to promote 1 hour workday and 100% commissions on the front end. Upgrade number 5, Gold Miners Club. It will cost $39 per month. This is the club of elite members. Every month you will get access to their products and full funnel 100% commissions. Upgrade number 6, White Label Rights. It will cost from $299 to $399. In this upgrade, White Label Rights of the TaskKiller software, and you will get do anything you want rights. Okay, so that's all about the price and upsells. Let's talk about bonuses. So if you buy 1 hour workday from my link, you will get these 4 super bonuses absolutely free. Not only this, you will also get semi-exclusive bonuses like how to create a 6-figure membership, 100 products with resale rights, agency business, WP theme and many more. They will definitely help you to boost your income. Apart from this, I will like to give you some insane bonuses that will help you to generate passive income on the internet. Also some more unannounced bonuses. All these bonuses are for limited time, so click here and secure your bonuses. To get the links, check the description below. I hope you enjoyed the review. Stay safe and I will see you inside the member area.